Hi there, this is the first video of the GMAT series and I'm going to briefly touch upon what GMAT is, who should write the GMAT and what are the other alternatives. Well, GMAT stands for Graduate Management Admission Test, an exam which is widely accepted across the globe by most of the prestigious MBA colleges. There are around 7,000 programs and 2,500 colleges or universities across the world which accepts the GMAT score. So if you are planning to do an MBA or any other leadership professional programs in the future, this exam could be the thing that you should be writing. Let's discuss this further. So let me tell you about 3 benefits of writing the GMAT exam. Number 1, as I already said, it's widely accepted across the globe. Therefore, your chances of writing one exam and applying for multiple colleges increases, which is unlike the other management admission tests which we Indians give. Number 2, you can give the exam at any point in the year and the score is valid for 3 to 5 years depending on the college and whether they're accepting that score or not. But usually it is valid for a minimum of 3 years, which means that if you write the exam today, you can apply to a college 3 years later as well. Now that makes it really fascinating. Number 3, you have a wide range of scores in the GMAT which the colleges accept. For example, a lot of colleges would accept a score of 660 as well as 760. The reason is that the colleges which accept the GMAT score also concentrate a lot on the profile of the candidates. So if you have a good profile, then you can even score lesser and get into your dream college. But obviously, it is always preferable to aim for a higher score. Now, given these unique benefits of this exam, let me tell you what are the different alternatives of the GMAT exam specifically in India. You could write the CAT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, IIFT and several such exams in order to get admission into an MBA college in India. But these scores are not accepted for any other colleges abroad. So whether you should write one of the exams that I mentioned earlier or write the GMAT, that's the question that you need to answer for yourself. Let me specifically tell you 3 criteria which should help you in deciding whether you should write the GMAT exam or any other MBA entrance exams. The first one is whether you're looking to study in India or also going to apply to colleges abroad. Number 2, if you are a working professional with over 3 years of experiences, it is recommended that you write the GMAT and get into a program which specifically caters to the needs of a working professional. Well, you could also write the CAT and get into an IIM for the 2-year program, but you have to think whether post your MBA you would be getting the kind of job that you would want to do, whether your experience will be the same or not, because you might be studying with people who are much younger than you. But if you are somebody who has 2 to 3 years of experience or are a fresher, you could consider both the options. Number 3, whether you're aiming for a 1-year program or a 2-year MBA program. Now in India, the 1-year MBA programs are provided by Indian School of Business and the Executive Education program by the IIMs. Also, there are some other notable colleges like Great Lakes, Symbiosis, XLRI. If you want to look up the kind of colleges across the world which accept GMAT score, you can simply visit the MBA.com official website of GMAT and check out the country-wise list that they provide. And then you can specifically look up the course that suits your need and then decide whether GMAT fits your goal or not. One of the disadvantages of writing the GMAT exam is that it is extremely costly in comparison to other exams out there. For example, writing a CAT might cost you somewhere between 2,000 to 2,500 rupees, whereas writing the GMAT once will cost you nearly 18,000 rupees. So you got to be careful about that and check your returns your ambitions, your requirements very carefully before you decide to write the GMAT or any other MBA entrance exams out there. But a more important decision to make here is which course you want to study and from which college. Once you have made a list of courses or programs and the corresponding colleges that you are targeting, the decision whether you are going to write the GMAT or not is going to be very easy. Deciding on the list of the colleges and the programs depends on several factors, especially if you're planning to do your MBA from abroad. If you would want me to make a video on the factors that can possibly influence your decision of selecting a target college, do let me know through your comments. Well, I hope this video was useful for you. The next video is going to be about what to do before you start studying for the GMAT, and then there are 2 more videos coming up which is about the preparation phase of the GMAT, how to study, what materials to refer to, and then about the application process. If you liked this video and found it useful, do share it with your friends who are planning to write the GMAT or are looking to do an MBA in the near future. Also, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.